to our hotel, the Cordis, here in Hong Kong where we're staying. As soon as you walk in, you have these awesome statues. I'm so excited because Tenderoni's staying across from me.
Finally!
We never stay on the same floor or close to each other, so this is some pretty exciting for us. Let's see. We have a closet, a bathroom, no electric toilet this time, but I'm totally feeling this marble and glass. And the bathtub has this situation where, you know, you can see out. So let's go check out this view. And oh my gosh, the view is ridiculous. I mean, the windows are a little dirty, but let's see everything. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour at the Cordis Hotel in Hong Kong. I'm going to go take a shower and rest. I'm so tired. You can hear it in my voice. But I'll see you later for dinner. Something I thought was really cool that the Cordis has is this free phone. When you leave the hotel, you can just hotspot that Wi-Fi to your phone and just use it instead of like getting a, you know, international data plan from your phone company. You can just actually just take this guy. Boom. We were so exhausted from all of the traveling that we did to get here. We immediately went to sleep as soon as we got to our hotel rooms, and when we woke up, we were like, yep, getting a massage. So we booked ourselves a massage at our hotel, and this was the room that I was set up in. I'm about to start my massage. I did this element questionnaire, and they choose a oil that they're gonna use for the massage based on your element. So I got the metal oil and it smells so good. And this view is sick. It's crazy. I just finished the massage and it was amazing. They take you to this quiet room after. In the quiet room, they give you tea, fresh fruit, some little sweet jelly snacks, and the view is just sick. This was considered the Times Square of Hong Kong. We had a free day, so we drove around the city, did a little island hopping. We eventually made our way to some night markets in Hong Kong, and then we went back to our hotel for some cocktails. The amazing bartender at our hotel made some delicious, delicious dirty martinis for us. Smells so good. You know me and my dirty martinis. I'm so excited to try this right now. Was that lemon zest?
Yes, he spritzed the lemon oil from the lemon zest onto
Wait,
the
it's not done yet.
OMG, we're putting this back. Oh, wait. It's my thing now for all these Liz videos.
Thank you. We had some yummy bar food, sliders, and grilled cheese.
Captain's log.
Day
626. We've had 30 dirty, really dirty martinis, and we're on an adventure, bitches.
Tinder, where's our Uber?
The Uber said that he was on top of a mountain. It's gonna take him 10 minutes to get to us.
We're back.
It was an adventure. With a good soundtrack, by the way. That was a really great soundtrack, I have to tell you.
Oh, man. Looking a little rough right now. This morning was a tough one, not taking these sunglasses off, but we got done with work early finally, so we actually get to walk around during the day. What night number is it tonight? Is it night number 5?
Oh God, I don't know.
Night number is number 4.
I have no idea. I lost track now.
One of these I've lost
Number
track
4.
also.
Night number 4.
Night number 4. We're gonna go eat some Italian food tonight. We're back on what they call the Rodeo Drive of Hong Kong. We went to Jamie Oliver's restaurant. We had some Italian food. And then I'm super excited right now because we are going to the tallest building in Hong Kong. The view is going to be crazy. I can like only imagine. Hello. It's going up so fast. Oh my gosh, you could feel it too.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
190, 200, 210.
Oh my gosh. We arrived at the top of the restaurant. It was 101 floors up. It was the most incredible view I have ever seen from a restaurant before in my life. Oh my gosh. We ordered so much food, and then for dessert we made fresh mochi. The next day we did a little shopping, and they have this makeup store called Shu Umera, and they have this wall of all these pigmented colors that you could choose from and make your own customizable palette, so I made a few to take home. Today we are here at the Heritage Museum in Hong Kong. I wasn't allowed to take any cameras in, so I couldn't get any footage in there. Goodbye, Hong Kong. It's been so real. I cannot wait to get back to LA. Soon as I hop off that plane, I'm heading to a callback. I don't know how exhausted I'm gonna be, but it's a hustle.
I'm coming home, coming home. Oh, there's just start recording. I'm coming home.
For those of you wondering, I did indeed make it to that callback, and when I got home, I slept for like a week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.